Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Builder Gel thinner. Builder Gel can become thick over time, making it difficult to work with. You can easily restore its ideal consistency by adding a few drops of a suitable thinning agent. This process helps ensure smooth application and a flawless finish for your nail enhancements. Remember to work slowly and carefully to achieve the perfect texture. When thinning your Builder Gel, selecting the correct agent is crucial for maintaining product integrity. A dedicated gel thinner is always the best choice, formulated to blend seamlessly. Alternatively, 99% isopropyl alcohol works well without damaging the gel. Steer clear of acetone, as it can break down the gel's composition, leading to poor adhesion and durability issues. To begin the thinning process, transfer a small amount of your Builder Gel into a clean, separate mixing dish. This prevents contaminating your entire product. Add just 1 or 2 drops of your chosen thinner, then mix slowly and completely until the gel is uniform. Test the consistency on a practice nail tip. If it's still too thick, add another single drop and repeat the mixing process. Remember, moderation is key when thinning Builder Gel. Adding too much thinner can compromise the gel's structural integrity, leading to chipping or lifting. Always mix the gel and thinner completely to ensure consistent application and proper curing under your lamp. To prolong the life of your Builder Gel and minimize the need for thinning, store it in a cool, dark environment away from direct sunlight and heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.